students, and welcome back to another episodes of our English class. Again, this is me again, teacher and your English teacher. And we are now in lesson number 1 of the unit number 3. And for this one, we will be talking about nouns. Nouns. When we say nouns, it means is the word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Again, is the word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. So all nouns can be classified as either a proper or a common noun. Again, later on the next slides, you will understand what is proper noun and what is common noun. Proper noun is the specific name given to a person, place, or a thing. Again, specific name of a person, place, or a thing. Like for example, my name is Anne. Anne is a proper noun because it's my specific name. So that is what we call Anne means proper noun. Teacher is a common noun. Okay, when we say teacher, so that is a common noun for the person or the people who teaches the students. But if I will add teacher in, so that is a proper noun because it talks about the name of your English teacher. So take note that a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. So that's why when you say teacher and A, there is capital. Capital A, small letter N, small letter N. Alright, so that is a proper noun. It always starts with a capital letter. Even it starts in the middle of the sentence. Alright, so I want to show you some example of proper nouns. Alright, we have Dr. Jones. When we only say doctor, meaning it's a common noun, but if we add the family name of the doctor, which is Jones, so that's become a proper noun. Dr. Jones. That's why it starts with capital letter J. And we have also the Taj Mahal. If you're familiar with this is a very famous landmark in India. We have also Australia. Australia stands as a country, so that's why it starts with capital letter A. We have also Snappy. When we take a look at it, this is a crocodile. But when we say Snappy, that's the name of the crocodile, so it means it's a proper noun. Alright, Snappy is a proper noun. So we have also what we call the common noun. When we say common noun, is the generic name for a person, place, or thing in a class or a group. Again, common noun is no specific name. Okay? So, take note. A common noun does not start with a capital letter unless it starts first in a sentence or it's part of a title of a book, of a movie. So again, that is common noun. When I say proper noun, it starts with a capital letter, but common noun, it's different. So like for example, it's car. So it's a general name, car. Dog. When we see like this, we can say that's a dog. Alright, so we have also man. So, and we have wine. So there's our common nouns. Okay, as a generic, if you have This one, it's called man. If you see this one, it's a car. Unless you have to say the brand of the car, so that is already a proper noun. And also the name of a wine, the name of a dog, and the name of this man. So that's become a proper noun. So we have here 5 words. Okay, if you see, we have Mount Everest, we have ocean, we have cat, we have California, and we have country. Okay, these words, I want you to choose the proper nouns. Alright, again, when we say proper nouns, is the proper name or the specific name of a person, place, a thing, or a country. Okay, are you ready? If green will appear in each of the boxes, or so means your answer is correct. But if it's turned into red, so that answer is wrong. Can we say Mount Everest as a proper noun? Yes or no? Yes. And we have also the second word, which is the California. Alright. So these 2 words are examples of a proper noun. So how about this one? We have Sydney, we have Simon, we have laptop, we have planets, we have woman, we have Tuesday. Again, the best thing that you can identify the proper noun between the common noun, proper noun starts with a capital letter. Okay? So, the next question is you have to choose the common nouns. Again, you have to choose the common nouns in this slide. Okay, it's same. If that box turn into red, so meaning that answer is wrong. But if the box turns into green, so that means that your answer is correct. So can we start now? How about Sydney? Did you answer? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? So means it's red, so it's not a common noun. How about Simon? Simon is a proper noun. Laptop. Okay, if you say laptop, it means you got the correct answer. So laptop is a common noun. How about planet? Yes, planet is a common noun. Woman. We have woman as a common noun. How about Tuesday? Tuesday is a proper noun. So, very good. And now I want you to identify the underlined word if is it proper noun or common noun. Again, I want you to identify the underlined word if it's a proper noun or a common noun. Start with the first number. The Lakers play basketball tonight. The Lakers play basketball tonight. Again, the Lakers play basketball tonight. So the underlined word is the Lakers. Lakers, can you say if the Lakers is a common noun or a proper noun? So what's the correct answer? Proper noun or a common noun? Okay, so very good. If you have this answer, Lakers is a proper noun, so you got 1 point. Okay, second one. The family will eat together at table. The family will eat together at the table. So the underlined word is the family. So what will be your answer? Is it a common or a proper noun? Alright, if your answer is a common noun, family is a common noun, so you got 2 points. Family act here as a common noun. How about number 3? The bear climbed up the tree. The bear climbed up the tree. The bear climbed up the tree. So what would be your answer? Again, you may choose a common noun or a proper noun. Alright? Bear. Bear is a common noun. Very good. If that's your answer, then you got 3 points. So, how about number 4? I live in the state of Washington. I live in the state of Washington. Washington is a place. So what will be your answer? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? Okay, Washington is a proper noun. If your answer is proper noun, then you got the correct answer. So you have 4 points. How about the next number? We have number 5. We traveled down the Mississippi River. We traveled down the Mississippi River. Mississippi River here is it a common or a proper noun? So Mississippi River is a proper noun. Again, Mississippi River is a proper noun. If you have this answer, then you got the correct answer. So you have 5 points. Now let's move on to number 6. We will play soccer at the park. We will play soccer at the park. So what do you think soccer here is? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? Alright, if your answer is common noun for soccer, so you got the correct answer. So you have 6 points. See, this lesson is very easy. How about in number 7? I will walk home after school. I will walk home after school. I will walk home after school. The underlined word is school. So what will be your answer? Okay, if your answer is common noun, so you got the correct answer. School here is a common noun. Okay, let's move on to number 8. We saw a lion at the zoo. We saw a lion at the zoo. Our underlined word is zoo. So, what will be your answer? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? Okay, if your answer is common noun, so you got the correct answer. Zoo is a common noun, alright? So if that will be your answer, so you have 8 points. So let's move on to number 9. Okay, we went to Lake Arrowhead for vacation. We went to Lake Arrowhead for vacation. So let's see, the underlined word here is Lake Arrowhead. So what will be your answer? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? Alright, if your answer is Lake Arrowhead, so that's a proper noun, so you got the correct answer, and so you have 9 points. And we have number 10, the last number. The Boston Celtics won many championships. The Boston Celtics won many championships. So what will be your answer? So the underlined word here is the Boston Celtics. So if your answer is proper noun, because Boston Celtics, if you're familiar with that, it's a group of a basketball player, I think. So proper noun. So if your answer is all correct, then it's perfect. You got 10. Alright? Move on now to our worksheet. Your worksheet is very easy. Alright, so we have 1 to 11, but 1 is example, so Adi is her cousin. The underlined word is cousin. So cousin here is a common noun. Alright, so in the space provided from 2 until 11, you have to write the correct answer. Alright, if you can write proper noun or common noun. Okay, all you have to do is identify the underlined word and then write the correct answer on the space provided. Or if you have your notebook, you can just directly write the answer there. So we have number 2. Tina played with her brother. So the underlined word is Tina. Okay, it's time to write your answer, number 2. For number 3, we will go to the restaurant this evening. Restaurant is the underlined word. So what do you think? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? Number 4, Paris is a beautiful city in Europe. Europe is the underlined word. So what will be your answer for number 4? And for number 5, our new classmate is from China. China is the underlined word. This is a country, right? So what will be your answer? Number 6, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the underlined word. Is it a proper noun or a common noun? For number 7, we have Rahul named her puppy Tommy. So the underlined word is puppy. So what is that? Is that common noun or proper noun? And for number 8, the car stopped suddenly. The car stopped suddenly. Car here is represent as what? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? 9, James saw some frogs in the pond. About James. Number 10, the rose is a pretty flower. Rose is a pretty flower. So if you will know, rose is a pretty flower. Rose is the name of a flower. Joanne, number 11, Joanne liked the movie. Joanne liked the movie. So movie here is what? Is it a proper noun or a common noun? So that's it. And so that's the end of our class for today. And I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.